Sick of starting your day with a mediocre cup of coffee? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker. First up is the Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker, priced at around $115.62. What caught my attention was its adjustable carafe temperature. It genuinely surprised me how customizable it is. If you want perfectly brewed coffee every time, this is worth a serious look. That's perfect for those mornings when you need to sip on your coffee throughout the day without it getting cold too fast. Plus, the brew strength control lets you choose between regular or bold settings, which means you can tailor it to your taste. With over 20,000 sold in the last month, it's clear people love it. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you've got a larger family or love entertaining, that capacity is a big plus. If you're in a smaller kitchen, it might be a squeeze, but for most, it's about the coffee experience. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys customizing your coffee. Skip this one if you're tight on counter space. For what you get, the price feels just right. Now, if that size issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Black Plus Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. Next, we have the Black Plus Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker, and it's a steal at about $52.69. The first thing that hit me was how user-friendly it is, especially with its digital controls. If you want affordable convenience, this one's definitely a contender. It also has a 24-hour programmable timer, so you can set it up the night before and wake up to the smell of fresh coffee. The large water window helps you know exactly how much water you're pouring in, which is important if you hate guessing. It's sold over 20,000 times in just the last month, showing that practicality matters to many. Some users have mentioned the lack of a permanent filter. Honestly, I get it. It can be a hassle to keep buying paper filters. But here's the thing, if you don't mind having to restock a bit, the ease of use and great price make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable coffee maker that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you want something more high-end. For the price, you really can't complain. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a more hands-on approach. Product number 3: Bottom 34 Oz Pour-Over Coffee Maker. Coming in at around $25.69, the Bottom 34 Oz Pour-Over Coffee Maker caught my eye with its sleek design and simplicity. If you crave rich, flavorful coffee without the fuss, this one is definitely worth considering. With its stainless steel filter, this pour-over maker extracts your coffee's essential oils and flavors instead of letting them get absorbed by paper filters. Plus, it's easy to clean, just rinse the filter and carafe and you're good to go. It's compact and perfect for those who want to brew fresh coffee in just a few minutes. It's sold over 10,000 times recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some might find the manual process a little inconvenient, especially if you're used to just pressing a button. But here's the thing, the hands-on brewing method allows you to have complete control over the brewing process, which can lead to a much more satisfying cup. This is perfect for you if you appreciate the art of coffee brewing and want to elevate your morning routine. Skip this one if you prefer a set-it-and-forget-it style. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something that combines tech with coffee making, the next one is a real treat. Product number 4: Black Plus Decker 12-Cup Coffee Maker. Next is another Black Plus Decker model, the 12-Cup Coffee Maker, priced at about $32.10. This one impressed me with its Vortex technology that ensures even extraction for maximum flavor. If you want a rich, full taste, this may be the one you've been looking for. The Vortex technology evenly saturates coffee grounds, which means you can taste the difference right away. The no-drip perfect pour spout is a game changer for messy pours, and the removable filter basket makes cleanup a breeze. With its compact size, it fits easily in most kitchens, and it's also sold over 10,000 times in the last month, indicating many are enjoying it. However, some users mentioned that the sneak K-cup feature can cause slight overflow risks if not returned to the plate quickly. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful when pouring that first cup, it's a small price to pay for brewing up a storm. This is perfect for you if you want maximum flavor without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a high-tech machine. For what you're paying, it's a solid deal. Now, if you want something that really does it all, let me introduce you to my final pick. Product number 5, Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 Coffee Machine. Last but not least, we have the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 machine priced at $642.63. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but it offers a ton of versatility. If you want to explore different coffee styles without breaking a sweat, this is worth your attention. This machine does it all: espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew all in one. The built-in grinder with 25 settings ensures you get the freshest coffee possible, and the Barista Assist technology means that even newbies can brew cafe-quality drinks. You can brew up to 18 Oz in one go, which is perfect when you have guests. It's no surprise that it's sold over 10,000 times recently. Coffee lovers are all over this. On the downside, the price point may deter some casual coffee drinkers. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your coffee and want to explore different brewing methods, this investment can pay off in flavor and satisfaction. This is perfect for you if you love variety in your coffee choices and don't mind spending more for quality. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic coffee maker. For those who make coffee an experience, it's worth every penny. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Cuisinart 14 Cup is great for customization, while the Black Plus DECKER digital coffee maker is all about affordability and ease of use. The bottom pour-over offers a hands-on experience. The other Black Plus Decker model focuses on rich flavor. And finally, the Ninja Luxe Cafe is for those who want it all. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cuisinart 14 Cup because it balances versatility and user-friendliness perfectly. As for which one to avoid, I'd skip the Ninja Luxe Cafe if you're looking for something budget-friendly. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.